Imagine turning on your computer and every single file is suddenly locked. Photos, documents, projects, all gone in seconds. Today, I'm simulating one of the most feared cyber attacks, ransomware. This is not a real attack. This is a controlled cybersecurity lab simulation. I'm using virtual machines to recreate how ransomware spreads and locks files. This Windows system will be the target. And on the other side, the attacking machine. Everything you're about to see happens inside a virtual lab. So guys, I am going to the path the payload script is, so I can show you guys how it looks. So guys, what I'm about to do now is to send the payload to the victim's machine using a Python 3 server and port number for 144. But in a real scenario, you will probably use social engineering to get to the payload into the victim's machine. Is either you use Chrome or you use PowerShell. As for me, I'm using PowerShell because I have direct access to the system. First, we download the PowerShell script from another machine using invoke web request. This is a PowerShell command used to download content from the internet or a server, and we save the output with payload.ps1. PowerShell execution policy bypass file payload.ps1. This command runs the downloaded script in the victim's machine. And just like that, the system is locked. The victim can no longer access their files. This is how ransomware holds systems hostage. Again, this is only a cybersecurity lab simulation created for educational purposes only. Real ransomware attacks cause billions of dollars in damage every year. Okay, that may show you all the files in this machine and really show you is all locked. If you want to see more cybersecurity simulations like this, subscribe. Next time, we'll explore how attackers actually gain access to systems. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.